Hi guys, I'm here to do just a quick break from the latest Panini Breakaway Breakaway. So I am just going to open up and see what kind of cracks I can expect out of it. I mean, personally, I'm really hoping to get a CR7, but I think it's going to be super difficult. But you know, when it comes to cards, never say never, yeah? Let's start with the first half. Okay, so bases, base, and oh my god, what's this? Johan Berg Goodson. Okay, second one. Maybe I should do how I see some of the breakers doing, which is to just open up all the packs first and then see it later. It's a bit hard to open. Okay, hard to open the packaging. Okay, I think I see already a silver. Base cards again. Okay, Kevin Phillips. Normal. Next one. Oh, I think it's purple. Purple. Oh. 54 out of 99. Okay. This is the best that I have so far, so I'm just gonna leave him here. The problem is still trying to make sure I don't review the last card first, but need a lot more practice. Oh, what's this? Instant Impact. Lukaku. Okay, nothing special. Next one. Okay, yes, I got the hang of it already. Okay. Okay, I see a Hyper, right? Is it a Hyper? Oh, opposite. Ooh, Watford. Tom Cleverley. Okay. Okay, what's this? Newcastle. Another Hyper. So this one, Federico Fernandez. Yep, I got the hang of it, so I can open it without revealing the last card already. Nick Thomas. Fireworks.
Fireworks?
Okay. Okay. Oh, Tottenham. Sanchez. Not numbered again. Okay. Next one. Oh, oh, ooh! Jens Lemon, Otto. Okay, yeah, I'm pretty cool, right? So I think that's the only Otto card. Yeah, I guess. Don't think there can be more than one Otto in a box, right? But hopefully I have a numbered Ronaldo. Okay, my next last 6 few packs. Get this out of the way. Zoom in. Okay. Here's a cool file. Oops, I think I see a blue. Ooh. Ooh. A blue Japet Tagana. Is he numbered? Oh, 173 of 199. Okay. Still no sign of Manchester United players. Let's see, last couple of packs. Can we expect? Joe Linton, silver. Okay. Oops. Okay. What? Emergent? Okay. Okay. Nothing special. Okay. Arsenal. Another silver. Emil Smith Rowe. Whoa, I see a green. Wow. Okay. Oh, what club is this? Newcastle again? Federico Fernandez. Number 31 out of 49. Okay, my last 3 packs. Scorers Club. Lacazette. Haven't even seen a decent Man U player so far. Ay. Blue, I see a blue. Oh, it's Arsenal. Lacazette. 59 out of 199. think that kind of sums up my very lousy night. My last pack. Don't think there's anything hopeful. So, yep. Let's just see what I can get. Oh, can't read the name very well. Black. Chair Adams. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. So this is the final results of my break. Nothing spectacular, I think. So, yep, no Man United. Disappointing. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.